to Chef Dawg. Today we are doing shepherd's pie. There you go, folks. That is mashed potatoes on the top of ground beef in a pie crust. It's going for $18.25. It says carrots, onions, ground beef, which is pre-cooked, corn, sauces, and then obviously mashed potatoes on top with a little bit of probably parsley. Easy enough, folks. You take the lid off, you get a cooking sheet, put it on it, put it in the oven. Now the oven, it says to put it at 380 degrees and cook it for 45 to 50 minutes. So that's what we'll do. Oh, and it also says to put it on the bottom rack. Not sure why, but bottom rack it is. 45 minutes is what I'm gonna do. We'll do a Google joke while we wait. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
What happened to the plant in math class? It grew square roots.
Sorry about that one. Okay, it's been in there for about 50 minutes. There's this melted plastic stuff down here. You're probably supposed to have taken off, I guess, and I didn't. So there's plastic here. All right, won't affect the food, but I want to take that off. Stuck to it.
You're not special.
My wife calls me special. You just chuck it in the garbage? Why?
Because that seems like a pain in the butt.
Oh yeah, it's under the whole thing. So yeah, that was wrapped in it. Didn't say that in the instructions. Try this bad boy out and see what we think. Now remember, here at Chef Dawg, we review Costco food. So if you like Costco, subscribe, share. How are you?
Hungry.
I know, I hope you like it.
Yeah, me too.
Knowing you, you probably will, because it is mashed potatoes and meat. You love mashed potatoes and meat.
Yeah, but I like
my She always just comes into this negative. If you notice that, folks, she's just negative about everything. I cut it like a pie. It's called shepherd's pie. There's the shepherd's pie. So Grayson already thinks it looks disgusting. I'm sure you do too, because that's just who you are. Okay, here we go. What's the face look for?
Just waiting for your response.
Yeah, it tastes like
Mush.
shepherd's pie.
Ooh,
What? It's ground beef
looks disgusting.
and mashed potatoes. And it doesn't look disgusting. Looks like a shepherd's pie. What? You love it? No. Did you just plug your nose to finish it? Oh my. Are you for real?
That's disgusting. That is bad. Looks like it's McDonald's tonight. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, it's not good. My daughter will not eat this, guaranteed it. I wouldn't have picked this meal out. He did, because you know, he does all the shopping, of course.
Yeah, it must be rough being you. All right, is it my favorite thing ever? No, I'm eating it. I think our problem here is we're just not ground beef people, but I don't mind it. You want to get the crust in it. All right, so here's my son. He generally likes food.
I don't mind it, but
You don't mind it?
honestly, I would not pick this again.
Wouldn't pick it
I
again?
wouldn't pick it again, but definitely not too bad, because I actually like beef, unlike my mom. But
So-
you could definitely use more salt.
Well, there's salt right there. So, will you eat it?
I'll eat it, maybe, unless mom gets salad.
No, when I get McDonald's. No, it doesn't just taste gross.
It kind of does.
You think it tastes gross?
A little.
A little? Well, then don't eat peas.
What's kind of hard when the peas are mixed in everything?
If you like, according to my wife, food that was made in the 1960s by grandma, you'll like it. I'm gonna give it like a 5.3. Again, I'm not in love with it by no means, but is it okay? Yes, it's okay. We're a little picky around here, a little more than probably most. Shauna gives it a what, 0? Oh, yeah. 0. And
I use it negative.
what did you give it?
I'd say 4.5.
A 4.5?
Yeah, I usually do the 0.5s on a lot of things.
Okay, well, there you go. There's our review on the shepherd's pie from Costco. Hope you enjoyed another episode of Chef Dawg. Appreciate all your support.
Bye.
Have a good one. Shauna, sweetheart, it's not.